This is Saxon Math for 6th grade. Today we're doing lesson 82. We're doing area of a circle. Now we found lots of other areas before. We'll wait for the bell. We found lots of other areas before. You know how to find area of a rectangle or a square. It's length times width. You know how to find area of a triangle. It's base times height divided by 2. And we've done some work with circles before. We've done circumference, which is the distance around. It's worth noting that circumference, which we've been finding before, is a singular unit. So for example, if your units were in feet, circumference is in feet. If your units were in centimeters, your circumference was in centimeters. Today, we're going to be finding area. That's how much space is on the inside of the circle. What's in the middle? How much is in the middle? The formula is very easy, but it looks similar to the other one. So let's look at it for a moment. Make sure you write it on your paper. Area of a circle equals pi r squared. And this is an important point. Remember when we find for circumference, it's 2 pi r. Here r2 is up, it's an exponent, so it's r squared. Let's try that with a few of our circles here. Here I have a circle with a radius. My radius is 10 centimeters. And in my problem it says I want to have pi be 3.14. So let's use my area. Area. Always start with the formula. Equals pi r squared. Then put your numbers into the formula. Area equals. For pi, we're going to use 3.14. So instead of pi, we write 3.14. Times r. Here's r. It's our radius. Our radius is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters squared. Now let's solve our problem. We always start by solving our exponent first. 10 squared would be 100. Centimeters squared, and this is the important point, centimeters squared is square centimeters. Make sure that you do that so that your unit at the end is a unit of area. Is centimeters squared? If you forget to square the unit, you end up with something very different. Times 3.14. Well, 100 times 3.14 equals 314 centimeters squared. So my area of this circle would be 314 centimeters squared. Let's try that if they give us some different information. This circle has a diameter instead of a radius, and it says to leave pi as pi. So let's see. Always start with your formula. Area equals pi times r squared. It's pi times r squared. I'm going to leave pi as pi, so in my final answer it will just say pi. My radius, don't have a radius, I have a diameter. If a diameter is 2 radius, then 1 radius would be half of this. So if the whole thing is 12, my radius would be 6. My unit is feet, so it would be 6 feet. So let's rewrite our problem with the information we have. Pi times 6 feet squared. So my area is going to equal pi times 6 squared. 6 squared would be 6 times 6. When we square a number, it's times itself twice, which is 36. Feet times feet, feet squared. The best way to write this would be pi, 36 feet squared, or you could also write it the other way. Sometimes people like to write the number first. You'll see books like it this way often as well. You can also write it as 36 pi feet squared. Either method will work. Just make sure that you have this formula and you'll do just fine.